Hello and welcome back to All Businessverse Madness. Today, we have a captivating tale of passion, perseverance, and automotive legacy. We are diving into the inspiring story of a young Italian boy who went from humble beginnings to create one of the most iconic automotive brands in history, Ferrari. Join us as we explore the life of Enzo Ferrari, a man who dared to dream big and turned his passion for racing into a symbol of excellence in the world of automobiles. Let's get started. 1. Early life and love for racing. Enzo Anselmo Ferrari was born on February 20, 1898, in Modena, Italy. Growing up in a family of modest means, Enzo developed a deep passion for cars and racing at an early age. His father, Alfredo Ferrari, owned a metal foundry, and young Enzo would spend hours tinkering with machinery, learning the art of mechanics. Tragedy struck when Enzo's father and older brother passed away during World War I. This left him as the responsible figure for the family. Despite the challenges, Enzo pursued his love for racing and got involved in amateur racing events. In 1919, he secured a job at a small car manufacturer, Costruzioni Meccaniche Nazionali, CMN, where he gained valuable experience working on engines. Enzo's passion for racing flourished, and he soon caught the attention of Alfa Romeo, one of the leading racing teams at the time. In 1920, Enzo joined Alfa Romeo as a racing driver, marking the beginning of his professional racing career. 2. The birth of Scuderia Ferrari. While Enzo Ferrari enjoyed a successful racing career with Alfa Romeo, he had bigger dreams in mind. In 1929, he founded his racing team called Scuderia Ferrari, which means Ferrari Stable in Italian. Initially, the team acted as a racing division for Alfa Romeo, but Enzo had more significant ambitions. Scuderia Ferrari quickly gained recognition for its dedication to excellence, and Enzo was meticulous in selecting skilled drivers and engineers. Under his leadership, the team secured numerous victories and championships, enhancing the reputation of the Ferrari name in the racing world. However, the 1930s were challenging times for Italy due to the Great Depression and political unrest. Despite financial struggles, Enzo's determination never wavered. In 1940, he decided to part ways with Alfa Romeo and focus on building his dream of creating road cars under the brand Ferrari. 3. The birth of Ferrari automobiles. In 1947, the first ever Ferrari road car, the 125S, made its debut. Equipped with a V12 engine designed by Gioacchino Colombo, the car showcased the perfect blend of performance and elegance. Enzo's vision of creating road cars that were synonymous with speed and luxury was becoming a reality. The prancing horse emblem, inspired by the legendary World War I fighter pilot Francesco Baracca, adorned the Ferrari cars. Enzo believed it would bring good luck to his racing team and the brand. Ferrari automobiles quickly gained a reputation for their quality, performance, and innovation. Enzo's uncompromising pursuit of perfection made every Ferrari a symbol of excellence. 4. Ferrari's dominance in motorsport. As Ferrari road cars gained popularity, Scuderia Ferrari continued to dominate the world of motorsport. The team achieved countless victories in prestigious events such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans, Formula One races, and the Mille Miglia. One of Ferrari's most significant achievements came in the 1950s when they clinched their first Formula One World Championship with Alberto Ascari in 1952. This marked the beginning of Ferrari's long-standing success in Formula One. The 1960s and 1970s were equally triumphant for Ferrari, with legendary drivers like John Surtees, Niki Lauda, and Gilles Villeneuve bringing home championship titles and cementing Ferrari's status as a racing powerhouse. 5. Enzo Ferrari's legacy. Enzo Ferrari's unwavering determination, passion for racing, and relentless pursuit of excellence left an indelible mark on the automotive world. He built a brand that became synonymous with luxury, performance, and success. Enzo Ferrari passed away on August 14, 1988, at the age of 90. His legacy lives on through the Ferrari brand, which remains an icon of Italian engineering and automotive prowess. Today, Ferrari continues to produce some of the world's most coveted sports cars, showcasing cutting-edge technology and luxurious designs. The story of Enzo Ferrari is a testament to the power of dreams and determination. From a young Italian boy with a love for racing to the founder of one of the most prestigious automotive brands in the world, Enzo's journey is nothing short of inspirational. We hope you enjoyed this incredible tale of passion, perseverance, and the Italian broke kid who created Ferrari. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay tuned for more captivating stories from the automotive world.